Well, looks like somebody's anxiously awaiting the chicken that's in the oven. Like he's going to get any. You're not getting any chicken, hon. You understand me? You can't have any of my food. You've already drank one of my beers. I about had it with you. Merlin.
They did ask me, the reporter said, well, we're going to have a bet check. And for the first time in 16 years...
Do you want to go outside, son? All right. There you go, buddy. It's freezing out there. I don't know why you'd want to go outside. Go on. There you go, big boy. Show your bet to the whole world. Meatball, what are you doing? You're not staying out long now. It's freezing out here. Get you some food.